Hello, welcome back to the Delicious Nutritionist YouTube channel. By popular demand, I'm going to show you how to do the NAKD banana bread bars. Now, we all love the NAKD brand. It's one of those snacks that I kind of recommend to clients if they're on the go, because NAKD, they just use pure whole ingredients like bananas, oats, dates, and although it's cheaper to make it at home, it's quite good if you have no other options just to do that and buy the NAKD bars. This is what you need: dates for the sweetness, oats, which are really good for reducing cholesterol, balancing out your blood sugar levels, raisins. I'm using a sticky kind of carob molasses for the extra sweetness, although I don't think you actually probably need it, because I think the dates and the raisins will give a lot of sweetness. We're using walnuts, a great nut with that banana bread. It goes well with banana bread. So the NAKD bars, all these ingredients, by the way, is what the NAKD bar uses, although I think they use like an apple or carob syrup, but I don't have that. I have the sweet cane molasses syrup, banana. And then for spices, we've got nutmeg and cinnamon, which are the classic dessert spices. And all we're going to do is we're going to add everything to the blender. I'm going to give the blender a helping hand and mash the banana before. My blender's super small, so I'm going to do it in 2 batches. And then essentially you can roll it into balls, keep it in the fridge, you can freeze it, you can put them on a line tray and then cut them up into bars. The choice is yours. This is great for, on the go. You can fill your fridge up with them, fill your freezer up. The kids will love it, the husband will love it, everyone will love it. So it's one of those winners really. And all this is pretty much store cupboard ingredients too, so you can always keep it. This could be your go-to shopping list items. So yeah, let's get started. So first up, I'm just going to mash up the banana. Now, you don't want a super unripe green banana, because that's just going to be quite bitter. You need it a little bit ripe. I've just gone for like a classic yellow one. Dates, 170 grams. Obviously get the stones out or just buy them destoned. You can get the medjool dates, which are more juicy. These are just kind of the cheaper baking dates. If yours are super dry, you could just soak them in boiling water just to give it a little bit of juiciness. And then I'm going to add, as I said, I'm doing this in batches, but you can just go for it. It's 40 grams of raisins in there. Again, you could add this to boiling water if you want a little bit more kind of plump mixture. 100 grams of oats. I'm using organic oats that I got from Whole Foods. Nutmeg, I'm just gonna sprinkle it. Just a little sprinkle, I would say 1/4 teaspoon. Again, it's just kind of personal preference. And then 2 teaspoons of the sugarcane sweet molasses. If you have like a carob syrup, you could use that. Oh, the smell is actually so good. It just hit me. It smells like Christmas. And then I'm going to add 40 grams of walnuts. Okay. And then we're just gonna blitz it up. Just for comparison, this is the mixture where I've soaked the dates and raisins in boiling water for 5 minutes beforehand. So the mixture is a lot more wet, more sticky. And then this is the mixture where I haven't soaked it before. So it's a little bit more grainy, a bit more sticky. So, and if the mixture you find is too wet and sticky, I mean, we're gonna be putting them in the fridge anyway, you can always add a little bit more oats to it. So problem is solved. So the mixture is looking amazing. I'm just going to give it a little try. You know what? That does taste like banana bread. That tastes really good. The mixture is a little bit warm. The mixture is a little bit warm because I added the dates and raisins in boiling water. So once it's in the fridge, it will cool off, it will solidify, and it will be better. If you're finding again your mixture is too sticky, you can just add a few more oats to it to make it a little bit more dry. You can roll it into balls that are the paste in a baking tray lined dish. If I was the owner of Naked Bars, I would probably take out or half the amount of carob molasses into it, because I feel like it's sweet already. And I think, you know, if we can reduce the sugar in things, then why not? I don't know why they add it. Maybe it's a colour thing, I don't know. But to me, it's quite sweet already. I would cut it out or halve it. And yeah, let's put it in the fridge and see what it's like. The Naked Bars have come out really well. These are the Naked Bars. What I'm going to do now is I've cut them into strips, and I'm just going to wrap these in cling film and freeze it, or you could put it in like a Tupperware box with baking sheet paper in between each layer, and then yeah, freeze it, and then you can just take them all individually wrapped in your bag, in your gym bag, or just have it throughout the day. If you're going to have it as like a breakfast, I'll probably have it with like a big bowl of strawberries and blueberries, just to yeah, balance it out and make it more of a breakfast, because just having this isn't really much of a breakfast. So yeah, hope you like this video. Do make sure to like and subscribe. Obviously the more subscribers I get, or the more comments, it just really helps to motivate me and help me do more videos. Sorry about the washing machine. If you have any other ideas of what you want, I was thinking about maybe doing the blueberry Naked Bars. I don't think I've done that yet. I'm going to look through the comments again and see what other ideas you have. I also really want to recreate the blueberry Serene bars, because I'm a big fan of Serene. It's so delicious. And also the Gray's flapjack bites is what I'm thinking to do next. So yeah, hope you enjoy and how you get on. Do tag me in your recipes at The Delicious Nutritionist, and feel free to message me on Instagram, leave a comment on YouTube, and I'll see you soon.